Oh, listen. Oh, here. This time, wait for it all to stop, and then when wait a minute, stop. All right, wait. Wait, stop. We're gonna do the farting and burping, okay? Okay, listen, wait. Okay, are you ready?
Ready.
All right. When I'm gonna go, then Bob, then Tim, and I'll point to you when you do it, okay?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. You ready, Bob?
They're gonna serenade you.
Wait a minute. And you do it when I tell you. Go. Go ahead. Go ahead, Brian. It's like walking into a clock factory. Now let's see if we can really time it all at the same time. I mean, precisely.
Okay, ready? 1,
Okay.
2, 3, go.
I like that. It's like some guy playing the piano who had a really bad gas problem. That was good.
Hey, there's spat